Boana's Home Vocabulary Series. The kitchen. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. Toaster. Toaster. Spatula. Spatula. Scale. Scale. Blender. Blender. Teapot. Teapot. Whisk. Whisk. Kettle. Kettle. Knife. Knife. Oven mitts. Oven mitts. Mug. Mug. Frying pan. Frying pan. Bowl. Bowl. Plate. Plate. Grater. Grater. Teacup. Teacup. Apron. Apron. Sink. Sink. Recipe book. Recipe book. Rolling pin. Rolling pin. Rice cooker. Rice cooker. Microwave. Microwave. Pot. Pot. Stove. Stove. Fork. Fork. Spoon. Spoon. Cutlery. Cutlery. What can you find in your kitchen? Want to keep learning? Boana worksheets available at boanalearning.com. Don't forget to subscribe.